Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by naming what you feel and why. This reduces the mind's runaway stories. First, rate symptom intensity from 0 to 10 and note when it began. Next, do a 5-4-3-2-1 grounding. List senses to anchor your body. Once done, postpone catastrophic thinking for 10 minutes and collect objective facts: heart rate, temperature, recent activity. Make sure to breathe slowly throughout. These steps break autopilot and create the data you'll use for the next actions. You now move into measured exposure to reduce fear. Start by listing specific sensations or situations and rank them from 1 to 10. Focus on one low-level item first. Then schedule 10 to 20-minute sessions, 2 to 3 times per week, intentionally facing the sensation without safety behaviors. While exposed, label what arises: thought, feeling, sensation, to separate story from data. Once you habituate, step up difficulty gradually. Keep a short log of sessions and outcomes so progress is clear and adjustments are precise. You finish by stabilizing gains and planning for setbacks. Build daily habits that reduce baseline anxiety: consistent 7 to 9 hours sleep, regular moderate exercise, and cut excess caffeine. Continue weekly exposures and cognitive labeling until fear no longer drives behavior. If symptoms spike severely or persist beyond 72 hours, contact a clinician for assessment. If progress stalls, troubleshoot by lowering exposure intensity one step, reviewing your session logs, and verifying you avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.